Hey guys, it's Mike Venom here again. I'm going to probably be making a double review today. I already did a review on my custom Iron Man helmet. So right now we're going to go over my plate carrier, ACU quick release, Condor quick release plate carrier. That's like what I have so far. It ain't done yet. I still gotta get the mag pouches and possibly an admin pouch to go in front. But this is what the majority I have right now. All I need is the front, and that's about it. So for now, I'm gonna show you what I have so far, and then I'll later show you what I have, what I'll get. So starting off, yeah, we'll start from the front. The front, we have your sling, 1 point sling, bungee sling. That'll hook up to my M4 with a new grip bipod system to it, so I like that a lot better. Flipping that, we have your standard American flag and my name tape and rank. I'm going to change this. I'm not going to be a private first class. I'm going to be demote to a private, since it'd be appropriate for me next year, because I'll be turning 18, which is 18. You'll be the legal age to join the military. So I'm going to change that to private as soon as possible. But for now, I'm going to stick with private first class. Yeah, you got your 2 glow sticks and military and police tackle knife with a serrated edge. I love this knife. And that slides easily right here when I need it. Motorola, law enforcement or military use of communications. It'd be interrupted to the back where I have my real Motorola radio right here, so it'll hook into that. I don't think you can kind of see it though, it's kind of dark, but you can kind of guess that I'm using this as a flashbang pouch, because I really did have like a real flash in there. What I really had it for was like some Axe deodorant. Like if the Axe deodorant fits really perfectly into the flashbang pouch, so I use that gloves, because you gotta know, you gotta stay fresh when you're out there in the field, so to speak. Yeah, but it does really well as a radio pouch as well, so I'm not gonna worry about that. But yeah, the radio works really well with this, so I can communicate with my brother. Let's see, left side, 2 grenade pouches together. Obviously I don't have any real mag pouches, I mean grenades in here. I got like your stupid Dollar General grenades. I just kind of painted myself crudely, so actually I do have one real grenade, but it's just it's been hollowed out. There we go. And also left side, you got your hydration carrier. Well, yeah, hydration tube. If that's all we have on the back, to your standard issue U.S. Army hydration carrier, and that's what I have for the new hydration carrier. So I had to get rid of the old one. And in the back, you got your carabiner, large carabiner with some black tape. Never know when you need that. And this pocket right here holds my goggles, my ESS goggles with a sock, in case I ever will need them, because you never know when some kind of hectic thing goes on. Moving on, you got, oh crap, this is actually a real medic pouch that I made myself. Now, I would not be a medic in the field for airsoft or whatever, but you never know when something may go wrong, because something always goes wrong with everything. So on the outside, you got your Purell always keep your hands clean before you mess with any kind of injury. I know that from Eagle Scouts, since I am an Eagle Scout. I'm sorry, Boy Scouts. Paracord bracelet, because you will never need when you need some paracord in ACU color. And on the other side, some electrical tape. You will always need this, guarantee it. And the way I know this is a meta pouch that I took some permanent marker and colored in red. So I hate this thing right here. You gotta flip it. Freaking ridiculous. You gotta flip that thing, and you gotta. And it's got a pull and tug on this. It's kind of stubborn. Wants to be. It's kind of old though. But it has everything you kind of want to need in it. Like you got simple first aid pouches with some tape. You got some band-aids. You got your scissors. Water towels. You suck them in the water and it'll grow. Moleskin. And bandana. Of course, you'll need a bandana. What else I got here? Some gauze pads, and some compressing cloth. Yeah, that's about it for the medic pouch, because that'll really come in handy whenever something goes bad, and they always go bad. Everything goes bad before it gets worse, right? Well, it gets worse before it gets better. That's what I meant to say. Or forget. I'll mess with that later. And at the bottom of this, I have my lanyard adapter that I hooked up to it. This will go to my 1911. Need that. And that's pretty much it for the whole kit. Well, plate carrier. And there's a funny way of having the plates inserted inside. I've got a piece of it, like an example of what, like the size of the plates and what they'll look like inside, so it'll keep my plate carrier stable. Move it. This is what it looks like. You got your camping pad right there with some black tape wrapped around it. Well, actually, sorry. Camping pad with a styrofoam foam board, whatever, wrapped in black tape. Keep it secure. And those are all hot glued together, and the tape actually really secures it, and so it'll be like a border. So that's nice to have that. For the mag pouches, really. I have about 6 so far with my homemade mag pulls, which are ACU, and only one having bronze with a real mag pull, full screen. 6. I think I'll have like about 16 mags total, and that'll last me a lot. And so that is it on everything for the plate carrier. So hope to see you soon on an update for the mag pouches and everything. So stay in touch, and see you later.